Hello everyone, I'm going to explain you the 8th experiment for UNIX Lab. So the first experiment in the first sub experiment in the 8th one is to create a process where one gets an input as a seconds and the second process has to be created as the process A as a parent, which calculates the hours, minutes and seconds in the format. So as you can see, I'll show you the code. Just a second. Yeah, here is the code. So to create so I get the parent process ID using getPID method from the C. Then I enter the seconds value. The moment I enter the seconds value, I create a new child using fork system call. So if the child is created, I'm gonna print the ID of the child and I'm gonna print the ID of the parent using getPID. So I'm going to calculate the hours by dividing it by 3600 and the seconds by getting the reminder and dividing by 60, and the seconds I'm just going to print it. So as you can see, the first program is I'm going to enter 40 seconds. So as you can see, the parent ID is 21870 and the child ID is 21875 and the parent ID is 21870. It means that the process which is created is the child of the previous process, and it displays hours in the format of hours, minutes and seconds. So this is my first experiment, and my second experiment is to create a parent which reads an input character and displays the same string, and if it's process C checks if it's a palindrome or not. So here in the first process, I'm gonna get the process ID of the parent and I'm gonna enter the string. After the string is entered, I'm gonna check the length of the string. Then a new child is created. The child is created and I'm gonna print the child ID and the parent ID. And then I'm going to go through the for loop. Then I'm going to put all the contents in another array by reversing the loop, and I'm going to print that string. And next I'm going to create another child in else. It means that this child which is created is the child of the previous process. So this is a child of the previous process, and I'm going to create a child using the fork system call as before, and print the ID of both the child and the parent. And if the both strings compared are same, then it's a palindrome, else it's not a palindrome. So I'm just gonna run it. Enter the string hello. As you can see, this is not a palindrome, and the process ID is 22134 and the child process is 22140 and the parent ID is 22134 as the previous one. So this is the third experiment, and third experiment is to create a process then process B finds the factorial of the number, C checks the Armstrong, D prints the Fibonacci series, E checks the prime, and F reverses the number. So he's given in a proper format where it needs to be printed. So I'm just gonna show how the program is. So I've created a parent process which gets an integer from the user. Then I create a child which is gonna calculate the factorial, then which is gonna in turn create another child which is actually a parent for the previous one. So I'm gonna print a process ID of each one and check if it's a Fibonacci, and else this is gonna be a child of the first one. So I'm gonna check if it's an Armstrong or not, then if it's a prime or not, then I'm gonna reverse the number. So I'm gonna run the program. Enter integer 5. So it gave me a factorial 150 and it gave me the number of Fibonacci series, and 5 is not an Armstrong number, 5 is a prime number, and the reverse of 5 is 5. So you can see the child parent ID is 22413 and child of this, the parent of this 22413, and this is the parent, so this is the child. So A's child is B, and the B's child is D. But the C's parent is same as A, so A's child is C, and 25, the parent ID, and the C's child is E, and the child of E is F. So that's how I've created a hierarchy of tree of processes. Thank you.